Hi, here I have tried to make 3D models of orbitals and subcells. So first we have to see the S subcell or sublevel. In that only one orbital is there and the shape is spherical. So we can see in 3D model this purple color sphere shows the S subcell, and within that only one orbital is there. Next is P subcell. In P subcell we have dumbbell shaped, in that two are there in one orbital which is along x, then two like this, two electron will be along y, and then two in z direction, and the shape of the orbital will be like dumbbell in every axis, along every axis. So in 3D model we can see this one is S subcell or the and corresponding orbital, and here you have this P subcell, and which has three orbitals. So one orbital, one along x, one along z, and the third one is along y. So in 3D model it looks like this. So there will be some overlap between P and S subcells. And then next we have D subcell. In D subcells it is more complicated. So what we have is D has 5 orbital. So one orbital is along in xy plane, it is like this, between x and y one, and then like this, like this, like this. So dumbbell shaped only. So double dumbbell shape we have in xy direction plane, and then same double dumbbell shape in yz plane, and then along this one along this in zx plane, and then coming here it is along the two axes, that is x, along x and along y. And then the fifth orbital is like this. It is dumbbell shape, one dumbbell shape along z axis, and there is one ring along the nucleus. So here we have S subcell and P subcell, and this orbital shape together. And in another model, here we could not show SPD together because it would become more cumbersome. So here we have taken this S subcell and D subcell. In D we can see, as seen in this graph, it is dxy, dyz, and dzx. So we can see dxy is along x and y axis. So this is x and this is y axis. So along this one, here you can see these 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 together make the double dumbbell shape in xy plane. In the same way we have zx plane, we have 1. In zx plane here we have z and x plane. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in zx plane. That is second orbital. And yz plane. YZ plane we can see from here So this is Y, 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 Z and Z. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 make together YZ plane orbital. And then so 3 orbitals over, and then fourth orbital is along X and Y. So along X, this green color, this and this together, this X, Y, make a 4 are there, X and Y, that make the fourth orbital, and fifth orbital is along Z and down, and then this ring, that together makes the fifth orbital of D subshell. Thank you.